Introducing the LAR Barista system. LAR Barista, a masterpiece in taste.
The Zojirushi Fresh Brew Plus Thermal Carafe Coffee Maker is designed for the discerning Java drinker who appreciates having delicious coffee at the ready. This coffee maker brews up to 10 cups of hot coffee, or enough concentrated brew to make up to 5 cups of iced coffee. It features a pre-infusion cycle, which evenly wets coffee grounds before brewing at an ideal temperature of 200 degrees, allowing them to bloom for perfect extraction of flavor and aroma. This machine also has 2 available brewing modes, a regular mode for quieter operation, and a time-saver mode that delivers hot coffee faster by reducing brewing time. The thermal carafe is made of durable stainless steel and features Zojirushi's superior vacuum insulation to keep coffee hot for hours. And because the vacuum insulation eliminates the use of a heating plate, coffee doesn't taste burnt. And the carafe's tapered design with thumb-activated pouring makes serving smooth and easy. The easy-to-fill removable water tank displays 2 sets of water measure lines, one for brewing hot coffee and another for brewing iced coffee, which adjusts the water-to-coffee ratio for stronger coffee that doesn't taste watered down when poured over ice. The swing basket and filter basket lift out for thorough cleaning, and the stainless steel permanent mesh filter is washable and reusable. All surfaces that come into contact with food or beverage are BPA-free. The Fresh Brew Plus has multiple convenience features, including a 24-hour programmable timer with digital clock, and a sound signal that can be switched to mute for quiet operation. No matter how you prefer your coffee, you'll always enjoy an excellent, flavorful cup with the Zojirushi Fresh Brew Plus Thermal Carafe Coffee Maker.
The Magia by Zulay Kitchen, a fully automatic coffee and espresso machine. It has a large touchscreen with a built-in recipe menu with over 20 delicious drinks to choose from. Every drink is fully customizable to your preference, and you can create preset drinks so you can have your perfect customized coffee at the push of a button. It has an adjustable grinder going from ultra-fine to coarse grindings, and an exquisite brewing process ensuring delicious coffee every time. It also makes ideal steamed milk for latte art. It has a built-in auto-clean function. It's like having your own personal barista in your home. Exquisite coffee at the push.